Alright, well, I decided to make a keyboard review of the Roland RD300GX. I just got this. I decided to make this review just because there really weren't many out there, and I figured this would help other people out when they go to buy a keyboard. So, a little brief overview of what this keyboard looks like, what it can do, and what it sounds like. Basically, I bought the keyboard for its sound. Definitely superb sound. I liked it more on the Yamaha MO8 that I was also considering, and I like this the action of the keys better than the Yamaha too. Definitely a much simpler setup than the Yamaha also. But here's the setup. Here's your master volume, some levels you can play with. You can have different sounds run at the same time. There's a split function which is pretty cool, which I'll show you guys. This is one of the improvements on the GX model. Here's a screen where they tell you what piano sound you're using. Basically, here all the sounds are banked: piano, electric piano, organ, strings, guitar, bass, and rhythm section. Really simple setup. Overall great design. Definitely made some improvements over the previous FX model, I believe it's called. Alright, so now let me show you some of the stuff you can do. So here you could here's our superior grand, as they like to call it. You can change how high the grand piano lid is open by pressing these keys. So here we have the lid all the way open, and here's what it sounds like. And now we'll close the lid all the way. A little bit more muffled. So that's a pretty neat function. You go into the piano, so there's that piano we're just playing. Now there's about 12 other ones or 11 other ones. Here's a nice one. Here is a metal piano. I kind of like this one, but I guess it's all preference. I also have some nice electric pianos, some Rhodes and whatnot. And here's some of our organ sounds. Percussion organ. Little rock organ here. Gospel organ. So there's definitely a lot of sounds over here you can play around with. One neat function that I like. Let me exit this. There's a split key here, so you can split the keyboard and make from middle C up sound like one certain sound, and from middle C down sound like another sound. So you can, if you're playing jazz a lot, you can go to the split key, hit the split key, and you can select your tones. Right now I have a preset acoustic bass in the bottom. I'm going to put my piano sound on the top, if I remember how to do this. No, I did that wrong. Excuse me. And I think it's set. Alright, so one neat thing you can do. I'm going to set this down. Alright. So you can change the level where it's split too. So how high or how low you want it to go. So if I hold that, I'm just bump it down a little bit. And you can play. You can make it sound like a combo pretty much. So. The Knife, in case somebody wants the name of that song. Also, we could, let's see what else we can do on this. There are a lot of cool rhythms, so I'll show you a rhythm that can definitely be used with that. There's 200 internal rhythms. I'm still getting used to how to do this. Alright. And you can save them in preset modes, which I still haven't quite figured out how to do. Here's a swing. In terms of other rhythms, there's almost anything you ever want. Had a request for the polka the other day, so here's one I pulled out. You get the idea. I won't bore everybody with that one. There's some nice bossa nova ones you can use. Here's one of them. Other than that, definitely a great keyboard. Has great sound. Rolands are definitely known for their superior sound. There's a lot of stuff you can do with these. There's even a rock piano. You can play a little Journey. So I definitely recommend it to anybody, and strongly consider it. Definitely play anything before you buy it, and see what's in your price range. I guess that's all.